Alright, what's more fun than opening up 2 boxes of Museum? Opening up 3 boxes of Topps Museum Baseball. Still waiting to see an incredible monster hit. We've seen some good guys so far. Now we're just ready to see something awesome. I'm telling you, they got those bat barrels in there. We got to see one.
Have you seen it pulled out yet?
I have not. Not this year, at least. Those are all one of ones, so getting even a common is a monster accomplishment. You know, we had one come out last year. I'm trying to remember. I want to say it was Suspettus. I could be wrong, but I remember it was just a monster. You know, actually, I may have been at a tier 1. Gotta get my products right.
Oh, that's something good.
Well, if you're 3 boxes in, you hit your first redemption. I think that's about average. And it is Bo Jackson and Griffey. Dual autograph.
Nice.
Alright, I think we hit our first monster. Sorry it's not live, but that'll be a beast when you get it. Nice. I don't know if we're going to top that, but feel free to try.
All right.
Auto jersey of
Ivan Rodriguez.
Nice. What's that guy out of?
110.
There you go. That'll be a Hall of Famer autograph before too long.
Cool. Good box.
Yeah, this one's definitely trumping the other two. No disrespect to Steve Carlton or CeCe, but yeah, I think this one's the way to go.
Koufax. Jackie.
Gordon Beckham. That's got a great stripe on it out of 35. Gotta love those jumbo swatches. So this will be the auto.
I don't know. The Griffey bow is.
Yeah, I guess that's.
What will this be? I guess it changes maybe with the redemption.
This would probably be the multi-relic, I guess. And whoa, look at that colors.
Nice. Matt Harvey, Zach Wheeler, Travis Denard, Ike Davis.
What's that guy, bad boy out of?
99.
Nice, that is a beast. Yeah, third box was the charm. Cool.
Very nice.